Hello, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, you might not know this, but I absolutely love home decor items. I also really love stationery. But what I love most of all is useless tiny stickers that I buy and then never stick on anything. Been doing it since 1991. So today's vlog is going to be a little bit self-serving because I really want to go shopping for these things and bring you with me. One thing I really love about South Korea is their design aesthetics. They have so many different design styles that they play around with, and you see them all over cute cafes and bars and pop-up events and home decor items. And I'm a big fan, so I want to show you a little bit about the home decor in South Korea. And I'm gonna buy some stickers. So, let's go. For this video, I hit up 3 different stores in Seoul, but I have a couple of honorable mentions that I want to let you know about as well. And of course, I also have a mini haul, because it wouldn't be a Hermione video without a haul. Oh, why am I the way that I am? The first store that I want to share with you is a store that has both home decor and beautiful stationery supplies, and this store is called Mind Things. Although if you search for it on Naver, it pops up as Mine Things. I mean, it's one or the other. This store is located in Myeongdong and I really enjoyed it. The store is beautiful, it's really bright and spacious and airy, and I really love how they displayed all of the different styles of home decor and stationery that they had. It was categorized really nicely and it just felt like a really nice experience to go through and browse and buy a ton of cute little things. I really love the home decor in here. I actually ended up buying a print, this one behind me with the diver and the water. I thought that was really pretty. I will show you a haul collectively at the end of all of the thingies that I got, but yeah, I think this is my favorite store. Another store that I went to is one that I shared on a recent vlog. This store is called 10 by 10, and this is in, where is this? Hyewa? I think. This store is much more stationery and gift related, but they did have a little section of really cute homeware pieces. They had these tiny tufted rugs and lots of ceramics and glassware that were just really fun and cute. Also, they had a whole range of Snoopy kitchenware and office supplies. I'm buying the Snoopy toaster one day. One day that toaster will be mine. I promise you. It is going to be in my kitchen. It's so cute. This place is a dream for anyone who likes to do journaling or keeping a sketchbook. It was so cute. They had a variety of different styles and things, and I definitely recommend, if you're in Seoul, go and check it out. The next store I want to share with you is primarily home decor, but it does still have stationery. This store is called Object and it's located in Hongdae, and it's about 4 or 5 floors worth of cute little thingies. It's great. They have something for everyone, and each floor has its own theme, whether that is home decor or apparel. And I really love this because I love that they had a lot of different styles that I hadn't seen in the other stores. couple of stores that I've been to that I want to give honorable mentions to. I don't have much footage because I didn't think I was gonna make this video, so this is just vlog clips that I got, but I want to share them with you in case you're in Seoul. The first one I actually don't know the name of. It's kind of in between Hongdae and Hapjeong. I'm gonna put it on screen because I'm gonna Google it and find out. But this store I popped into a few times. It's stationery on the first floor, and then the second floor is homewares and prints and more ceramics and candles and that kind of stuff. I really love this store. This was the first stationery store I went to when I got here. It was kind of an accident that I found it. It was just walking along and stumbled into it one day. So I guess the universe just wanted me to make this video. The next store I want to mention I showed in a recent vlog, and this was an accidental find because I went on a wild goose chase to find some painting supplies, which I never got, by the way, oops. And I googled stationery stores in Seoul and this one came up, but it's more of a homeware store, I want to say. There were once again two levels. One was more focused on furniture and the other was more focused on knickknacks and a few stationery style supplies. This is called Millimeter and it's near Itaewon, so it's kind of cool. If you're in the area, do pop in and have a look. There's some really nice cafes nearby as well, so it's worth a visit. And then two more honorable mentions to a couple of chain stores that I really like in South Korea. The first is Artbox, which is a little bit more youthful. They've got a lot of silly gift ideas, so I did get a ton of presents to bring back, mainly for my little cousins, which if you're watching this, you shouldn't be because it's not on YouTube, kids, so go away. But yeah, Artbox is a really interesting place. They do have stationery, they have some cute little home gifts and things like that. These are scattered all over the city, so you're bound to find one at some point. And then also Daiso. I love Daiso. Daiso is like the Poundland / Dollar Tree of South Korea. And this is the first place I went when I got here because I knew I needed to stock up on some stuff. Daiso have an incredible stationery selection for a store where everything is incredibly cheap. So it's always a good place to look, especially if you like journaling and stickers and that kind of thing. But they also have a ton of other stuff too. So gotta love Daiso. Now that I've taken you to my favourite places in Seoul, I have to show you what I bought, because of course I bought a few things. Not too many. My suitcase is not that big. So in 10 by 10, the thing that I got that I'm most excited about is this stack of mini magazines. These are called Hitchhiker magazine, and I have a feeling they're actually made by the store. These are only 4,000 won, which is like £2.50. And I bought 3 of these and then I realized I love them so much that I had to go back and get all of the other ones I could get my hands on. I got 6 total. Basically, these are just little magazines with really interesting design aesthetics. Every single layout is different and it's given me a lot of ideas about things that I could do with my YouTube channel to spice things up a bit. I really like playing around with graphics and design, but been stuck in a rut for a little while, so I feel like this was just something that I wanted to tap into to get a few more ideas. And you know what the best thing is? I didn't even realize this until I got home. They have stickers in the back. Like 4 sticker sheets of all of the different things from the magazine. Look at this. So cool. In the same store, I picked up a photo album because I'm really interested in film photography. I'm not very good at it, but I took a bunch of pictures with my friends end of last year, early this year, and I want a photo book to put them in, and this was 14,000 won. And they have these in a lot of colors, so I feel like if I really like it, I could get a ton of different ones and fill them up with different photos from different moments. I don't know, I thought it was quite cute. From Millimeter, I got one thing, and it's this little desk calendar. They had this in a few colors, but I feel like the orange is just kind of cool and a little bit different. I did put this on the correct month a while ago, and then of course I left it for like 2 weeks. So am I going to use this properly? No, probably not, but it looks really cool and I'm excited to have it on my desk. I love it. In the store in Hongdae that I don't know the name of, I got a few things. Notably, the prints behind me, these ones right here, they were 12,000 won each. I really, really loved the style of these. I think they're by a brand called, oh, I can't reach it. And they have pins and needles. I'll put it on the screen. Something to do with Paris. Oh wait, no, it's on the back of these. Hotel Paris Chill. So if you want to try and find these, maybe they have an online store. But I also got 2 little notebooks. I thought that the aesthetic was right up my alley. I like the green and the purple, and I really love the fonts. I'm such a fan of fonts. It just makes me very happy. Something I had to buy out of necessity in 10 by 10 were these little boxes so that I could store my sticker collection and my postcards. I'm gonna have to defend myself here. I'm not a hoarder, I just have a few collections of things I really, really like to keep up with. One of which is postcards, so I did get quite a few. Also, let me know in the comments, were you also one of those kids who had loads of collections of miscellaneous things? Because I had collections of postcards, stickers that I wouldn't use, marbles, those little squishy things that went in the bath and were full of oil, Pokemon cards, Pogs. I had a whole box of shells from the beach and it was really stinky, but I wouldn't get rid of it. And to this day, I still like to collect things, but I think I've refined my collections to just postcards and stickers, so well done me. Anyway, I'm just going to point out a few of my favourites in my collection. In 10 by 10, I picked up a lot of these postcards. They are just paintings that I thought were really pretty. Some of them were based on Wes Anderson films and some of them were just pretty little paintings. My favourite aesthetic from all of these stores is definitely the vintage Europe photo aesthetic. So I ended up picking up a ton of postcards with this style, like the fruits and like some random chairs in Paris. I really like it. Oh, we've also got strawberries. And last but not least, I did get quite a few postcards of Seoul to remind me of my trip. I got some that are just paintings, but also a ton of pictures as well. I love postcards. And then we're on to the stickers. And bear in mind, not all of this is for me. A lot of this is for my friends who also like silly little stickers and things like that. I won't bore you with them all, but I got some simple ones like hearts, which are really nice for taking notes. I will use those. And you know what? I'm gonna use them all. I'm promising myself right now. And then I also just got fun ones like little smiley faces and little abstract shapes. I got a lot of vintage photo sticker sets as well. Shout out to some of my faves. Some little plants, some cats, stamps. They're really cute. I'm just very happy. It doesn't take much to make me this happy. Right, that is it for my haul. I hope you enjoyed this video. I think it was really fun to have a look around and share with you a lot of the different design styles that are really trending in South Korea right now. And I hope you have a great week. Tell me in the comments below what you're doing this week. Let me know. Are you going stationery shopping? Are you buying silly little stickers you're not going to use? Tell me about it. Anyway, that's it from me. Take care. See you soon. Bye.